So here are the components that are needed. There's 8 components, but they're all included in the Elegoo Super Starter Kit in case you want to build this on your own. So this is the code. You can also find it on the GitHub link in the description, but basically all this does is controls the LCD display and the fan. So this is the finished product. As the temperature decreases, the fan speed gets set to low, like specifically when it goes below 80, but if it's above 80, the fan speed will remain on high. So you can see that the fan spins when the temperature is above 80, and then it'll turn off when it's below 80. That's all for the video itself, but there's this online simulator called Tinkercad that if you wanted to use it, you could basically simulate a lot of circuits that would otherwise take time to build and wire. But for this specific circuit, there's 2 components missing on Tinkercad, the thermistor and the potentiometer. So yeah, we can't do that for this circuit, sadly. But in the future, if you ever want to test a circuit, you can use Tinkercad. And yeah, that's all for the video. So goodbye. And this was my attempt at making a heat sensing fan.